Feeling overwhelmed with content, admin, or client outreach? Don't worry, I've got your back. I'm a certified AI-powered social media and content creation virtual assistant, trained through VA Training Philippines. I help busy entrepreneurs, coaches, and online businesses save their time and grow efficiently. From Canva graphics, content calendar, and video editing, using CapCut and Filmora to email management. Trello workflows with tools like ClickUp, Notion, ChatGPT, and Meta Business Suite. I combine creativity with automation. Let's bring clarity, creativity, and confidence to your business. Message me now and let's get started.
Hey there, I'm Antonio Adam Manuel G. Baquirin. Work with me